Okay. Uh, Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to solve another Leetcode medium problem, and this is part of our DSA revision series. So till now, we have solved array-related problem mostly, and now we are going to switch to strings. So without wasting further time, we can quickly show the problem which we are going to solve today. So in previous video, I think. We have uh, solved little non-overlapping intervals. So in this video, I'll start with strings, and the first problem is longest substring without repeating characters. Okay, so while this is loading, you can check out the description. I have linked the playlist in the I button and the description. Okay, so let's move to this problem. This problem says we have given a string s, find the length of longest substring without duplicate characters. Okay, so for example, this is the string ABC is kind of substring without a duplicating character. If I take A, then I need to remove this A. Similarly, if I take this B, then I need to remove this B, and if I take this C, then I remove to this C. So at max I can have a substring with the length 3 only. Okay, so the simple brute force is generate all substring, check if um, any substring has duplicate character. If it has, we need to kind of drop that, and otherwise we can basically consider it. So without wasting further time, let's think about optimized solution. So one thing we just noticed that we need to find substring, then we can keep track of um, a valid substring only, and we can increase the length by adding one character, check if it is already there in the substring, then we are good. Other sorry, if it is already there in substring, then we need to kind of contract that possible substring. So this is kind of a sliding window problem where we need to keep a valid string as a possible window, and we can reduce the size based on whatever duplicate characters we will find. Okay, so as consist of English letter, direct symbol and spaces. Okay, so as we'll have only kind of ASCII characters, then we can store them maybe in an integer array, uh, kind of int frequency, which will be new int of 256 characters. Okay, um, so uh, to start and end, I'll have two variable int which is left and right. So L is 0 and R is 0 initially, and I'll also have a length variable for s, and we need to keep track of max, so max will be 0, which will be the answer. Okay, now I can start a loop where r is less than n. So basically the end window should not overshoot the n, and in this what I can do is I'll add this to my frequency for sure. So I'll keeping it as possible window, then it should be I r plus plus. Then I need to check while this frequency of r is greater than 1. It means I kind of uh, reducing the window size. So for example, if ABC is already added to our window, then I'll check if I again have A, then it will create my uh, frequency like A equals to 2 when I reach to this index. Then I need to check what mm, which element I can remove to keep this as without duplicates. So I'll increase this L, And uh, when this frequency reaches to 1, then uh, we have kind of reached substring without duplicate characters. Okay, so to keep the length, math dot max, which is max, and r minus l plus 1 will be our answer, and I can return answer. And after each iteration I should increase r as well. So let's quickly try to run this. Answer is not valid. Yes, max is valid. So if I take this BBBB, what I'm getting 8. Okay, we need to reduce the frequency of this as well, so which is the element which we are removing. So frequency of L minus minus. Okay, not R and L, just we need to take the character which are at. So two possible option, either I should create a char array from a string and check the indexes. So something like ch of r, frequency of ch of r, and ch of l. Now this should do. Yeah, let's try to submit it. Yeah, so this work. So basically in this approach we kind of kept a track of a window and increase in each iteration by one element, and check if how we can reduce uh, to make it a valid one. So yeah, so this was it. In this video we have solved this problem, and I'll see you in the next one. And you can check out other videos in this playlist by checking the video description and clicking on the I button as well. See you in the next one.